This is the famous Jeju black pork, right? I'll take this one, please.
All right, I got everything. Let's see if I can actually cook this properly. Okay, first time grilling black pork. Hope I don't burn it.
Oh no, it's burning! Wait, I turned it too late.
Okay, second try, flip it now. Yeah, this looks much better. Wow, this is really good. The flavor is no joke. It's really delicious, but eating alone feels a little empty. Rainy days and grilled meat, this combination isn't bad at all.
I'm so full. That was a lot more than I expected. Feels good though. Grilling black pork for the first time, it was harder than I thought, but really fun. Jeju days are getting better. Good night.